Hi, this is Maithili. Now I'm going to show you how to export the report as an Excel document. It's like a sheet by sheet. This is what we are going to get, like a developer in this location, the employee name. It's two employees, two developers. Then the marketing, how many people. It's kind of each sheet, one sheet for developer, second sheet for marketing, employee details, tester. So I'm going to show you how to export department wise Excel sheet by using SQL Server reporting services. Okay, so basically we need a data, right? What I'm going to do, I'm going to use this AdventureWorks database. So this is here. There are two tables available, the employee table and the department table. The employee table, it has 4 columns. If I run this, it's going to execute. There's 7 rows. It has employee number, employee first name, employee last name, department name, number. And then this department table, it has 3 columns: department number, department name, location. Here the column department number, by using this column we are going to join these two tables so that we can get the department number for department name, location for the employees. So if I run this, I'm going to get the department name and the location. So here I used a simple join statement so that here I joined the tables department and employee table. So I'm run this. This is my result. So here it's kind of no way to. It's here I didn't group anything. Basically I'm going to use this query in my query builder. So this is my data. So my report, sheet by sheet, for one sheet for developer, another sheet for tester, and the final sheet for marketing. That's my aim. So I'm going to minimize this. Then I'm going to create a new project by using Visual Studio for the report. I'm going to name this project as Excel export by department. Okay, then I'm going to use this report wizard. It's kind of basic block report I'm going to create. So the data source, I can name this Excel export. I'm going to use this SQL Server. Now I'm going to connect. I need to pass the connection string. I'm going to click this here. I'm going to provide all the connection details. My server is running. Basically my connection is from this instance Sunrise Family / Intelligence. This is my SQL Server. Here these two tables are located, this department and employee. So here I'm going to use this SQL connection server. Then it's basically I'm using Windows authentication. My database name is AdventureWorks is my database. So it's this one is from AdventureWorks 2014. So it automatically picked. I'm going to test the connection. Connection succeeded. Then click the button OK. So I have passed connection string here. If we are good at passing connection string like a data source and the initial catalog is for the database, it's straightforward. You can provide by typing data source and the initial catalog. You can be able to connect the SQL Server. The next, here I'm going to write a query for my report data. So basically you You can type it here, or you can use the query builder. See, it's a good idea to make sure it runs in SQL environment, right? So write a query here, make sure it works properly, then Control C, copy, and then Control V. And if you want, you can use query builder also. Query builder is going to show you how the query I have written, basically the employee table and the department table. If you want to verify, you can run this query here. See the result set, it looks good, so everything looks good. I'm going to close this, so click the next button. It's basically a tabular report, and then it's a department wise I'm trying to group, right? So the department name, the group, the other field I'm going to show up on my detail section. So just employee number, employee first name, last name, department number, location, and then next. If you want, you can create stepped report. Stepped report, basically the plus minus you can expand or you can shrink it. Now I want to make this report as simple, so that's I'm going to use this block. Then next, then whatever the style you want, just I'm going to use the normal style. Then next, the report name, you can report name, employee details by department. Okay, then finish. My report is ready. The design. Okay, I'm going to preview the report. See, developer two records, marketing 2 records, tester department name. But here everything is on one page. I want page by page report, right? My aim, what's my aim? I'm going to get exactly like this. So one sheet for developer, one sheet for market, one sheet for tester. So we need to first generate the data page by page. First page for developer. If I click the button here, it has to open up marketing. So it's easy. So first, in the design view, this is the department name, right? We click on this here, choose the advanced mode, right? Here, it's department name. Then if I click F4, it's going to open up. Keep together. I'm going to close this, and here it's a group properties. It's the page break between each instance of a group. Check this and class. I'm going to preview this. See, the first page for developer, second page for marketing, third page for tester. Okay, now the data, one page for developer, it looks good. So then we need to export this report sheet by sheet. Okay, for this we need to open up the design view, then click here, we need a group properties. I'm going to click F4. There's a group, right? And there's a page break and the page name. In this page name, what I'm going to do, I need to write an expression. So the page name, everything is based upon this page name. It's for the department name, right? So here I'm going to pick the field department name. I'm going to pass this field value. So the page name I have chosen. Okay. Now we are going to preview, and then we will see. I'm going to export this report as an Excel under this folder here, employees details by department Excel. Save. Okay, we will check. Going to open up. See, it's exported here. I'm going to open. First, I'm going to close this. Now I'm going to open up recently exported report. See, super. Developer to records, marketing to records, tester data. It's so sheet by sheet for the department. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you on my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.